I welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming project, and in this video lecture I'll go ahead and teach you how to print out the ASCII character table in Python. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off immediately, and we're going to begin by using a for loop. Let's go ahead and say for I in range. So for I in range of 32 and 1 to 8. Alright, so we go ahead and say print character of I. So print character of I, and then end that. Alright, so end that with space, and then if I minus 1, if I minus 1 modulus 10 is equivalent to 0, then we go ahead and print out the table. So print out the table, print. Now let's run this code and check it out. So let's draw this up here. You can see the entire table was printed out for you, and this is the ASCII table right here just very before you, and that looks like a magic. You know why? Because in Python the code is really always very small. I don't know why, and Python is really very interesting programming language. In fact, that is the best of all now. So the code is just very before you. Go ahead and put it down and check it out, and make sure you print out the ASCII table just looking good like this. So if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.